All right, well, we got the fuel pump replaced and the car is now drivable, and we got it up on the lift. And this is our first real look to the undercarriage of this vehicle. So here on the back side, looks pretty good. Rocker panel's just dirty. There's a lot of just road debris and stuff stuck to it. You can see right here where I've been, I can remove that with my finger. Just road debris. So not bad. Got a little scrape right here, but this is on the very bottom of the door. I mean the rocker panel. So you can't even see that till you get up underneath the car. So not bad. So moving around the front here, I did notice that we have a crack in the underbody panel right here. So it looks like that got pulled up onto a parking stop or something that cracked that panel. So I gotta look at how we're gonna fix that or replace it. Better angle of the damage here. You can see where the scrape mark went, and then there's the puncture mark. Little scratch in the black paint down below, not bad. This is the old laser detector system, which we're gonna get rid of. That looks bad up here. And then we got a little bitty scuff right here, not bad. A little nick right here. This side looks pretty good. On this side, passenger side, you know, minor little nick right there, not bad. You know, this side looks really good too. So it just needs a good cleaning and a polish. Now underneath, looks pretty good. I mean, there's no damage on the bottom here at all. Looks really nice. And the tunnel where all the coolant lines are running looks good. That panel's good. A little different story though as we get toward the back. So if you look over here, you can see we've got some damage going on right here where the F1 transmission cover, where all this is. So that must have been flopping during our little test drive. That all of these screws were missing here. And these screws were all missing right here. So that one's missing there. That one's been ripped out, so we're gonna have to get that fixed. So I'm probably gonna have to source this bottom cover, whatever they call it, belly pan or engine cover. As you can see here, it's cracked. So this back piece here is taking the worst of the hits, it looks like. But the rest of the bottom is really good. We're gonna get this taken care of first. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take this bottom pan off so I can get access to the bottom of the engine and check it for leaks. So all in all, pretty pleased with how it turned out. I think we can get some of these damaged parts through a breaker yard and get those replaced. So I don't think we're gonna have an issue there. But the first thing we're gonna do is get in there and get the pan off, look at the underside for leaks, make sure we don't have anything visible there. And then we're gonna go ahead and dive into doing the timing belts. All right, so here we go. We're gonna get this bottom pan off of here and see what we're gonna be looking at underneath there. Wow, there's some telltale signs of repairs on this cover. They've done some fiberglass repair right here. There's a crack in the middle. And then some fiberglass repair right here. And this point on this corner has been rebuilt once. And this corner's been rebuilt once. And around here as well. Now that we got the under tray off, we're going to go ahead and lower the car down and get ready to take out the seats and the interior components we need to get to the belts. Next, we got to remove the seats. Got to move the seats forward to be able to get to the back bolts. Now, I need to very carefully remove the seat belt. Okay. Seat belt comes out. Now I've got to disconnect the wire from the bottom. All right, now with the seat out like this, we're going to have plenty of access to get to the back panel here. So now we got the speaker out of here. I'm going to very carefully pull the insulation back and expose. There's 2 bolts down here. One. Next, we're going to pull out the glove box here. We're going to get the glove box out of here, so very carefully get in here. That was easy. God, this black goo that Ferrari uses to hold everything in place just gets everywhere. A couple more pieces to get out. These guys here. Okay. All right, we gotta get these corner pieces out of here. There we go. There's our service panel right there. And there they are on these covers right here. So that's going to be the next thing that we're going to do right there. But that'll be tomorrow. But I'm looking at the belts actually look pretty good. But since I don't know when they're replaced, I'm just going to go ahead and replace them all. All right, so that's about enough for tonight. I'll resume tomorrow and I'll get the covers off and then we'll get started on the rest of it.